By restimulation of engrams, animals can alter their DNA. That is a phenomenon called in epigenetics, which involves modifications as a repair process of the DNA in the 5-methycytosine. That is a process that imprint natural qualities to the DNA, and that DNA is inherited to the next generations. Their offsprings inherit that engram, but it's no longer an engram. It becomes an instinct when their children inherit that knowledge that they obtain during that life. It is a process of acquisition of totipotency and pluripotency that transports epigenetic inherit in the next generation and the next generation. So those positive engrams of reward are enhancing your intelligence because it gives you qualities. Those abilities can enhance your productivity, your efficiency, and your success in life. That is about reward. It's about self-love. It's everything about love. If you love yourself, you love others, and you get that reward back from that love. Every time you do something good, reward yourself, reward others when they do something good. You can re-stimulate positive engrams in others by giving love. One important aspect about doing reverie is that when you activate an engram, that engram resonates in your whole body, and that engram is vibrating like a transistor, is amplifying a vibration not just in the current timeline but in the multiverse. You have access to other layers of the multiverse, so you become multidimensional in that aspect. You can jump in the quantum field. By doing reverie, you enable that quantum jumping ability, and you can have out-of-body experiences. You can access other realities, and you can actually think, what would happen if instead of me doing A, B, or C, how my life would be different if I would make a different decision. There is a lot of endless possibilities by doing this.